Log in to the staff account, and in the menu, categories are displayed separately. Select the dairy products category and choose items like butter, 10 sliced cheese, and cheese country cow. Switch from in-store to collection, and below collection, click Add Details, fill in the necessary information, and save. Charge the amount using the customer's preferred payment method, such as cash, and once done, return to the menu. Now, customer 2 orders baby products, so click the baby products category, and it will show all baby products. The customer requests Johnson's baby powder, Johnson's baby lotion, and Ella's Kitchen organic, so click those products. Since this order requires delivery, switch from in-store to delivery, and below delivery, click Add Customer Details to fill in the necessary details. Enable the Fusion Driver option and save. Charge the amount using a card at the shop, and once completed, now you can check orders, so click Orders to view all previous orders, and you can also check the order status by clicking Order Status, where you will see the options in Progress and Ready. If the driver has arrived, click Ready to notify the customer that their order is ready, but now do not mark it as ready. If you need to cancel an order, click on the order you want to cancel, and above you will see the Cancel option. Click it, select a reason, and the order will be canceled. You can also adjust the preparation time, and the customer will be notified that the delivery rider will take 20 minutes. Now, see how it works for the last order. Customer 3 orders cocktail cans, so click that category. The customer requests AU Vodka Pineapple, Smirnoff Cranberry, AU Vodka Blue Raspberry, and Gordon's Gin and Tonic, so select those products, which will be listed in the right sales section. You can also apply a discount for these products by clicking the discount option below and giving a 50% discount. If you need to add a service charge, click the service charge option below and set it to 20%. If the customer asks for a product that is not available in the menu, click the manual option in the right sales section, enter the product name and price, and you can also add a note specifying the customer's request. You can also apply a discount on a single product by clicking the discount option and selecting that product. Switch to in-store and charge the amount this time using the unpaid option. This option is used when a customer orders a product but has not yet paid. For example, some regular customers who pay at the end of the month. If the customer is now ready to pay for the unpaid order, go to the Orders section, where the order will be marked as in progress. Click on the order to view the ordered products, then click the Edit option at the top. It will display the order details, and now you can charge the amount with cash. Once done, the order will be completed. You can view the completed order history by going to Orders to see which orders are in progress and which are completed. To view completed orders, click History above, where you can also see order invoices by clicking on any order. Now you can check the transaction history by swiping left and clicking Transactions, where you can see all transactions, or click on specific payment methods to check the data. You can also check reports by going to Settings, clicking Reports, and viewing the store report. You can check whether the store is online, offline, or both. Additionally, you can select the date range to view reports. You can also filter the orders section by online orders, offline orders, in progress, delivery, collection, or in-store, making it easier to view which type of order is received more frequently. In the menu section, You can change the grid layout by clicking the top right and choosing the option that suits you best. Fusion My Business POS makes ordering simple and efficient.